Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Meridian Holding is being liquidated and has 9.2 million in asset available for distribution. Unsecured creditor are owed 7.1 million, preferred shareholders 1.5. What amount, if any, will the common shareholders receive? A is nothing. All the asset goes to the creditors and the preferred shareholders. Is that correct? No. They might receive nothing, but let's find out whether they receive nothing or something. If we have 9.2 million, first we have to pay the unsecured creditor. That's the priority. The debtors comes first. Then we have to pay the preferred shareholders 1.5, and what's left actually is 600,000. Therefore, the common stockholders will get 600,000. What's left after we pay the preferred share, the unsecured creditor, then the preferred shareholders. Now, if we had secured creditors, they also will be paid before the unsecured, and anything that's left will go to the common stockholders. What should you do now? Whether you are a CMA, CPA, accounting, finance student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your career. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, simulation, cases, true, false, exercises. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.